Wagwan everybody, update. Volkswagen is done. Volkswagen is finally done. It is 12:59 Friday, and we just finished reassembly everything. Look, so panel gaps, door to quarter look good. That look good. This is no good. And catch the joke, we never paint the bumper. That's a used bumper the guy buy. And look at the match. Like, not bad, right? Look at the tail light. So everything from this line down was a repair. Yeah, all of this was pushed in, folded up, even on the inside, on the floor panel, all of that. So pushed out the quarter, we got it looking nice. All the gaps are good. Look at that, brand new. You wouldn't even tell. Yeah, you can't really see the color difference over here though. But guess the joke, right here to here, looking good. You know, so you can't even tell it's metallics. The blend work really well. And as I said, I got that one run. Show you guys the run. It's here somewhere. There it is. Here it is. Yeah, that's the run. But other than that, good with this one, guys. So you don't know, as I always say, stay tuned. There's more being done. We have this Civic here on the frame machine. I'm gonna move the Volkswagen out, put the Civic where the Volkswagen is, put a Ford Explorer on the frame machine, and then bring in my car because I have to finish the other side of my car. So yeah, stay tuned for that. More cutting, more welding, fabricating stuff. I tell people, like, the right side of the Civic when I welding, that's piece of a F-150 that we repaired. Actually, the first car I weld, the first day I come here, that's a piece from that vehicle I put on the Civic for fill in the metal. So probably cut up more of the F-150 parts and put in the on the Civic. So yeah, and also we have this cool, guys. If you're into the restoration thing, this is coming soon. What is this? Hold on, it's on the other side. International, some kind of truck. International L130 series. So that you can comment and let me know, educate me please, cause to me this is just an old truck we need restoration, right? So and then let me know me I go do the restoration. So you see, it's there. It's actually fun. It's mostly surface rust because that's solid. So solid. Few dents, you know what I mean? Not what I'm not familiar with. Pretty big dent here, but that's easy. Like, the metal is so strong, it's easy to work with, so that's not a concern. Don't know if they want me to fix all of this too, but I can if they want to, you know. But yeah, pretty cool. Project coming up. This project done. This one is something else. We're not even telling about that, but that's two cars. That's gonna be that's a donor car. You know what I mean? So lots of work, guys. What I'm telling us, man. So just stay tuned. You know what I mean? Like up the video, share up the video, and yeah. I'll catch you in the next one. But till then, peace.